Hello students, in this video we will discuss about lesson 2 managing files and folders. This video is part 1 of lesson 2. Before beginning a video, let us have a look on what we are going to discuss about in lesson 2, managing files and folders. So, in this chapter, we will know about how to move or copy data from one drive to another, how to move or copy data between storage devices, how to work with multiple applications, how we can search using wildcard characters, and some different file formats. What is file management? Organizing the files and folders on a computer is called file management. File management includes viewing, copying, moving, and deleting a file or folder. It also includes sorting of files and folders by name, type, size, and so on. Why do we need a file management? Let us understand with the help of very common example. We all have cupboards in our home. If your cupboard is very messy and things are not arranged in a proper manner, then it will be very difficult for you to find out your clothes or anything that you need. And at the same time, if your cupboard is very well arranged and managed properly, then finding out desired things is very easy and convenient. Similarly, in our computer, if all the files are arranged properly in files and folders, then finding out desired files or folders becomes very easy and convenient. That is why management of files and folders is very important. Now let's discuss how we can copy data from one drive to another. I request you to pay attention on your mobile screens. First of all, we will open My Computer or this PC folder. Now here you can see that there are 4 devices and drives. Now we will copy a folder from drive D to drive F. Now to do that, first of all, step 1, we will double click on drive D and drive D will be open. Now we will copy lesson 2, this folder from drive D to drive F. To do so, we will right click on lesson 2. After selecting it, a menu will appear. From this menu, we will select copy option. Now again we will go back to the previous page and from here we will open drive F by double clicking on it. Now we will right click on the screen and click on paste option. Now here you can see that lesson 2 folder is pasted over here. Now let's have a look on the steps for copying data from one drive to another. Step 1. Locate the file or folder that you want to copy from the drive. Step 2. Right-click on it and select the copy option. Step 3. Use Windows Explorer to open the drive where you want to copy the file or folder. Fourth, right-click on the blank space in the drive and select the Paste option. Fifth, the copied file will be pasted in the drive. Now moving data from one drive to another. What is the difference between copying or moving data? When we copy a data, what we do is we create a duplicate copy of a file or folder. On the other hand, when we move data, we shift a file or folder from one place to another. So, copying means creating a duplicate copy of the data, and moving means shifting data from one place to another. To move a file from one folder to another or from one drive to another, first of all, we will open this PC or my computer folder. Now, here we can see all the drives and folders. Now, from here, we will go into Documents folder. Now, we will copy a folder from Documents folder to drive C. So here, let us select any folder. Here we are selecting this Applications folder. After selecting, we will right-click on this folder. A drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, we will select Cut option. Now remember, for moving a file, we select Cut option, and for copying a file, we select Copy option. So here we are moving a file from one place to another. So we will select Cut option. After selecting this option, again we will go back to the previous page, and here we will select the drive in which we want to move our folder. So here we are selecting Windows C drive. We will open it by double clicking on it. Now after double clicking, we will right click on the screen and this drop down menu will appear. Now from this menu, we will select Paste option, and we can see the Applications folder is moved from Documents folder to here. So these are the steps to move a file or folder from one place to another. Now once again, let us have a look on the steps how to move data from one drive to another. Step 1. Locate the file or folder that you want to move. Step 2. Right-click on it and select Cut option. Step 3. Use Windows Explorer to open the drive where you want to place the file or folder. Step 4. Right-click on the blank space in the drive and select the Paste option. The moved file will be pasted in the drive. Moving data between storage devices. A storage device holds data. A CD, DVD, and pen drive are some common storage devices. You can transfer data from a computer to a storage device. The process of transferring data from the memory of a computer to a storage device is called writing. After inserting CD or DVD to a computer, we will open My Computer folder from the desktop. There you can see the CD/DVD icon. We will double click on that icon. A dialog box will appear. In the disk title box, we will write any name that we want to give to a CD. And then we will select option with a CD/DVD player. And then we will click on Next button. A CD will be open. Then suppose we need to copy something from the desktop. We will copy that by using drag and drop method. Then we will click on the Manage option. From the Manage option, we will click on the Finish Burning option. A dialog box will appear. From that dialog box, we can also edit the name of the CD and we can choose the recording speed. After choosing recording speed, we will click on Next button and then we will wait for the finishing the burning process. And after that, we will click on the Finish button. Now we can see that the data is copied to the CD. Now let's have a look at the steps for burning a data on CD or DVD. Burning a CD means writing data onto it. To burn a CD, follow these steps. Step 1. Insert a blank recordable CD in the CD/DVD drive. Second, double-click on the computer icon on the desktop. Third, double-click on the CD/DVD drive. Fourth, enter a name in the disk title field. Fifth, click on with a CD/DVD player to burn a master CD. Sixth, drag and drop music or data files to a CD. Seventh, click on Burn to Disk. The Burn to Disk dialog box opens. Eighth, choose a recording speed from the drop-down menu. Click on Next. The data will be burned to the CD. Now, on the basis of this video, here some questions are mentioned for you to answer. Question number 1. What is file management? Question 2. What do you mean by burning a CD? Question 3. What is writing means in terms of computer? Fourth, what is the difference between copying and moving the data? That's all for this video. Thank you.